Well, hello. Just a quick video to say Happy New Year to you all. I hope it's going to be a good one for all of us. I've got some good videos coming up in the new year. I've got some cool things to show you, some things that I got over Christmas. And I've had a good break. I needed a few weeks off because I was so busy last year, but I'm ready to go again now. And I hope you all had a very good Christmas. We did, and so did Rocky.
Hey, look at it! Go on, get it!
Once before.
I said if I'd have known about that,
Yeah.
I would have
That was
gone.
good. It was,
Merry Christmas, everybody!
Yay!
Woo!
Merry
Yes!
Do you want to open a present, Rocky?
What you got? What is it? Open it!
Oh, that's it.
What?
Oh, see the video of it, shouldn't it?
Ooh, where you
See
go?
the video of it?
Oh, he's got
What's
it.
that? What is it?
Oh, wow, isn't that lovely? Say thank you now.
Amy says happy birthday. Happy Christmas.
Oh, no, you got more?
Oh my god.
Hey, likes that.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
What about the rest of them, Rocky? No, just that one.
He
Just
likes that one. What about this one? What about, yeah, I know you like this one. What about that one?
I might have to start it off for him.
Or not.
What's that?
Yeah, look it. Come on then. Now look what's in here.
Wrapping paper hanging out of his mouth. Come here.
He's got it in his mouth. Come here. Paper in your mouth. Wait. Let's let me find it.